Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get USA buyers traffic for free. But I'm not only going to show you some proof of how to get USA buyers traffic for free, I'm also going to show you how to get into profit with that traffic, and I'm going to show you some real proof of how you can do that in just 5 to 10 minutes every day. So if you want to join our team, there'll be a link in the description. And USA traffic is tier 1 traffic. The traffic I'm going to share with you today includes buyers, and I'm going to show you some real proof of that. The beauty of this system is that there's a 5-level affiliate program with the system, so you could potentially get your leads for free. I'm going to show you some real proof that I'm getting my leads for free and how you can potentially do the same. I'm going to show you some real proof of commissions and real proof that these buyers are from United States of America. And this method we're using and this lead system is the fastest way, in my opinion, to build an email list. I'm going to show you how you can get 300 new leads every single day. And these are the leads that include buyers. We've also got a Facebook group with 5,900 members, and you're going to get help and training and support in that Facebook group. You'll also find my email address in the description if you'd like some help and support and training from me. There will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income or product claims or any guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. I want to show you first of all the 5-level affiliate program and how you get your leads for free. So we're going to go into the lead source, which is called My Lead Gen Secret. My Lead Gen Secret has been online since 2018. It's now in its 6th consecutive year of business. So I'm going to log in to all 3 of my accounts and show you that they're all fully funded, they're all paid for, and I'm in profit with each and every one of these. So this is my first account here. When I log into my account. Now the affiliate program here, you go into affiliates, and when you come down to this one here where it says promo tools, first of all I recommend you watch this video by the owner Jim. Now when you come down here to the compensation plan, I want to show you this first. This is important. I want to show you that the affiliate program pays down on 5 levels, and you'll see that each of these commissions is paid monthly, because the My Lead Gen Secret is a membership subscription that you pay monthly. So when you promote as an affiliate, you get paid the affiliate commissions every single month. Let me show you some proof of that now. So I'm going to go into downline, and then what you'll see here is upgraded members. So I'm going to get out my little pencil here, page marker. So when I showed you before that the first level was $5. So we've got 4 members here paying $5. So that's $20 there. On the next level, we've got 2 members paying $4. So that's $8 there. On the next level, we've got 3 members paying $3. So that's $9 there. And the next level, we've got 4 members paying $2. So that's $8. So that's a total for that account of $28, $30, so $46. I think my maths is correct there, maybe slightly out, I'm not quite sure, but so $46. So we've got a calculator here. Let's go into the calculator. We're going to total all these up and show you the proof. That's $46 there. Now let's go into, let's delete that. Let's get onto our little pointer, and then we'll go into the second account. So log out, log back in, and the second account here is this one here, ClickBank offers. Go into affiliates, go into downline, and then we can see here how much we're getting paid in the affiliate program. So in this account, $5 on the first level, $4 times 3 is 12 on the second level, 4 times $3 on the next level is $12 again, and that equals $29. So we're going to put that back in the calculator over here, plus 29, and then we'll log into the third account. So we'll delete that, go onto our pointer, come back up here and log into our third account. So you'll see that these accounts are all fully funded. This was the third account I opened here. It's well within the rules of my lead gen secret to daisy chain your accounts if you want to refer yourself. I just should come to that shortly. Downline. And in this account, we've got $15 on the first level. That's $5 times 3. And then we've got $4 times 4, that's $16. And these are monthly recurring payments because it's a monthly membership subscription with my lead gen secret. So that equates to $31. So we go back over to the calculator over here and we go plus 31, plus 31. So the total affiliate commissions I'm earning every month is $106. And it costs $30 a month for your monthly subscription. So if we times 30 times 3, that's 90. So if we take 90 off there, minus 90, 90 off there, and that means I'm $16 in profit. So I'm getting my traffic for free. Now I want to show you the consistency you can get with these affiliate commissions. So we'll delete that, we'll exit that, we'll log out of this account. I'll just show you one of these just for sake of time in this video. And I'm going to blur out the members' information for privacy, but we're going to go into the first account that I opened. I'm going to go into affiliates and I'm going to go into commissions. So if I scroll all the way down here, you see all the commissions here. I'll just go into this in a bit more detail here. I'm just going to scroll down and show you some proof that you can earn consistent commissions. So my total earned in this account in affiliate commissions is $1,105. And this $21 here hasn't been paid yet. You've got to wait until your balance reaches $30 and then they'll pay you. They're very good with the payments. You usually get paid out the next day. But I want to show you that's really important, that you can earn affiliate commissions and potentially get your leads for free. And if we go back to the top here, let me just show you the different levels that I just showed you there in the upgraded members. So this one came down 4 levels. So that's a $2. That's on the 4th level at $2. This is on the RC, stands for recurring commission. This is on the 3rd level at $3. This is on the 1st level at $5. This is on the 2nd level at 4, again at 3. So you'll see it pays down 5 levels, and it's because it's a monthly recurring commission, then you can potentially get that for free. So I want to share that with you. That's really important. Now let me show you 3 different ways. Go onto the home page here. Let me show you 3 different ways that you can earn refer affiliates, and then I'll show you some proof of the buyers with mileage and secret. So one way to get affiliates is to go into the affiliate section here, and under promo tools, what they give you is they give you email swipes. So this is an example of an email swipe. And what you would do is you would just import the email into the mailing system, and then this email here would have your affiliate link in, and then you can promote the mileage and secret affiliate program to the leads that you get every day. So they allow you to do that. And that's one of the ways that we get affiliates and referrals. And there's 10 of those affiliate done for you email swipes there that you can use. So they're all there just to import. That takes 30 seconds to import and then send in the mailer. So when you join up, when you watch a training video, there's when you go into the home page here and you watch when you watch this training video here, it goes into more detail of how you do that. I've also done other videos on that as well. So the second way that you can refer is if you look in our Facebook group here, 5,900 members. If you join our team through the link in the description, then you can join our Facebook group. And then what the members are doing in here is showing you how they get affiliates. Now this member here said, exciting news, I just signed up another mileage and secret affiliate through my email signature. So what they're doing is they're putting a PS at the bottom of the email that they're sending out and linking it to the mileage and secret affiliate program. And you'll see there that he's earning monthly recurring commissions and also getting his leads for free. That's the second way. The third way is where you can refer yourself. They do, as well within the rules and guidelines, mileage and secret do allow you to refer yourself. And that's what I did for my second account. So all you do to refer yourself is you log into your account and then you copy your affiliate link there in your first account. And then you paste it into a new tab and then you refer yourself through your first account. And all you've got to do that is use a different email address and use a different username. So you can get free multiple email addresses from Gmail and just put a number after your name. And then you can change that in your profile here when you get logged into your second account. You can use the same payment details. And then that way, what happens is, the reason it's good to get 2 accounts is because you get bonus leads. I'll show you on the home page here. You get an extra 100 leads here, bonus leads today 100. So you start out with 100 leads a day and then you get 200 leads a day. So that's one reason to get referrals and refer yourself. You see, when I go into my mailing system here, you'll see how I've been promoting to 200 leads every single day because you get those as bonus leads. You start out with 100 and then you get. So that's just showing you some proof of affiliate commissions, how to get your leads for free. And I want to show you the product we've been promoting and show you how simple this copy and paste method is to actually use. So the product I've been promoting is a ClickBank product. So I'll just refresh the page here to show you the commissions, and I'll show you some proof of USA buyers. So the products I've been promoting, you'll see here I've made 84 sales and the commissions I've earned 1,374. It's free to set up a ClickBank account, and I've done other videos on my channel. I'll put a link in the description to the latest video and show you proof of the product that I've been promoting. I don't want to go into too much detail today. I've done lots of other videos on there. I've got a playlist. I want to keep this today about the proof of the commissions, proof of affiliate program, and show you that this product we're promoting is USA buyers. So the only traffic I've been using to promote this product is my lead gen secret. And that's why when we go into the transactions here, the transaction area, I'll go back to the beginning of the journey and I show you the proof of buyers. So we started at the end of May. Go back here, you can get some great stats and data. May the 25th. So I've been doing this now for a few months. You can see the consistency here. Today is October the 23rd, where I live in United Kingdom. Click on go. So bearing in mind, I've only been promoting this particular offer. It's called Social Paid with my lead gen secret leads. Now what you'll see here, the last two columns that are filled out on the right hand side are where the buyers are coming from. So you'll see every single buyer in this row here, this column here. If you pause the video at any moment, you'll see every single buyer for this product is from United States of America. And that's when the bottom left-hand corner, 27th of May, when I started promoting it. And that's the number there, 1,374 that I showed you in the reporting. And then if you look in the next row across, the next column, this one here, you'll see all the different states where the buyers are coming from. So California, Nevada, Delaware, Florida, Virginia, Oregon, Georgia, New Hampshire. So the buyers are coming from all over America when you scroll down here. So the only traffic source I've been using to promote this particular offer is my lead gen secret leads. So to join my lead gen secret, it's $60 to get started. $30 of the 60, the link in the description, you can join through this button here. Just put a pointer on there. Join through this button here. So $60 of the 60, you'll see in the bottom here it says is a one-time setup fee. It's a one-time payment to set your account up. The other $30 of the 60 is going to pay for your first month's leads in advance. You're going to get 100 leads every day. And that's for your first month. And after that, it's $30 a month, and it works out at $1 a day for one account. And if you want to daisy chain your accounts and get two accounts, it works out at $2 a day. Or you can use the My Lead Gen Secret affiliate program. Start with one account and promote it as an affiliate like I've done. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week on the channel. If you've got any questions or comments, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer those for you. And if you want to reach me by email, my email address is in the description, and I'll reply to you as soon as I can. I'd also like to mention again the income and product disclaimer. We're not making any income or product claims or guarantees in this video. It's for educational purposes only. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.